Bing AI Image Generator Prompt Tutorial. How to use Microsoft Bing AI. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we will be teaching you how you will be able to use the Bing AI, or right now being called Copilot. Now as you can see right now, I'm using Microsoft Edge and you will be able to access Bing AI with Microsoft Edge. Now when you open Microsoft Edge, this is what you're going to see. And to be able to find the Bing AI, you're going to click over here on the top right, and this pop-up will appear. And as you can see, this is the Bing AI, but with a smaller version. To get this big version over here, where it's easier to use its different features, simply click on Open Link in a new tab, which will enlarge our Bing AI over here. And like I mentioned with our topic and title, we will be showing you how you will be able to use it for image generation. Now, it's a chat, so as you can see, it's not like your typical other platforms. For example, let's check out this platform over here, Leonardo, which is an image generator. It's not your typical platform we will be able to see an image generation option over here, as you can see under the user tools. It's not like that, and then as you can see, there will be settings for this one. It will not be like this because Leonardo is image generation in itself. But with Bing AI, it's also like ChatGPT, where you could ask it about a lot of different things. For example, let's ask it a coding problem. So create a Java code that uses executors so that I can connect to a server socket. Something like that. Don't enter. And Bing AI or Bing will generate a Java code with the required or the information that we are asking it to, as you can see, just like this. And so it will work just like any other AI chatbot out there, specifically like ChatGPT. And right now, I think it's using ChatGPT 4 as its main brain or main power. As you can see, though, it already set up our output over here, just like this one, as you can see. And so you would think, how will this type of chatbot be able to produce images? There's no buttons over here to set it up to be an image generator. But to be able to generate it, it's actually more simpler than you think. So simply say, generate an image, then simply type a topic of a cat eating a donut. Click on enter. And the fact that you mentioned generate an image and then that subject over here, the Bing AI will now identify or recognize that you wanted to generate an image. As you can see, I'll try to create that and our image is being generated just like this, as you can see. So simply wait for a few seconds and we will be able to generate our output. You can see here, simply wait for a few seconds. It's still generating. So you can also check out or generate multiple items at once. But as you can see, this is our imagery here, cat eating a donut. As you can see, it's very high quality. It looks, or it has a good designs as well. As you can see, very realistic and very cute, as you can see here. So after generating your image, you could either share it, save it, download, or customize it. Yes, you can also customize it and change different features of it. With the designer of Microsoft, you can easily make some changes with the photo that you have just generated. But anyway, you can check it out on another time if you want to play around with it. But we'll only be focusing on the image generation. So let's try asking it to generate a more complicated output. So let's say generate a flying whale in the sky with a mechanical style instead of a biological appearance, something like that. So now my request is more difficult. I am demanding more details and more specification, and it is also fantasy. So there we go. It recognized that we are asking it to generate. So now simply wait for a few seconds once again, or a few minutes, depending on your output. Now while waiting, let's actually generate one more. So what could we generate? Let's say generate Batman flying or scuba diving with the Flash. Click on enter. So now we're asking it to generate one of our or two of our iconic characters that we all know and love. But as you can see here also, this is our mechanical whale over here, as you can see on the sky. It looks really great. It was able to capture the idea that I want to see, which is a mechanical whale that is flying on the sky, as you can see. A lot of AI generator that I have tested before will actually still generate the whale underwater, which is annoying. But as you can see this time, it was able to produce it really great as well. So that's really great. And over here, there we go. We have our images that we want over here, which is really great. So now, what can you use this for? What can you use a different image generated output for? Now, one of the ideas that I have in my mind that I could use this for example, this one, is to use it for t-shirt designs. So I downloaded it. I'm going to go to Canva over here. Let me open a random design for now. I'm going to delete all of this. And what I'm going to do is I'm simply going to upload the image that we have just created. So it's going to be here. Where did it go? Downloads. So I'm going to drag it. Put it over here in Canva. And now we have our image over here, which is really great. There you go. So now you could use this for any outputs. You could make it into a sticker. You could make it into a poster. But what I said earlier is I could make it into a t-shirt design. So let's actually try doing a magic grab over here, so that we could get our whale as our main item or our main element and separate it from the background. So there we go. Open a new page over here. And now I guess it still took the background with it, but anyway, I guess let's try it again, maybe with the background remover. But oh, there we go. So the element in itself. So now let's do is click on edit image, click on mockups, and then over here there's a lot of different mockups from smartphones, apparels, computers, all of those things. So what we're going to do is we're going to use it for apparels, and maybe let's go with very simple design like this one. And let's drag our image over here to our character. Let's wait for it to upload. And let's see what it would look like. Now, supposedly it should only be the element without the background, but I guess it messed it up. But anyway, you can see or get the message that I'm trying to imply, where you can easily use and take advantage of the AI generator of being over here and its create outputs and use it for a lot of different things. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.